Greetings, my beautiful people. I will do my first reaction of amazing singer from Russia who has created her channel 5 years ago, who has right now 80 million views on her channel, and the title is called Fly Away on the Wings of the Wind. Polovtsian Dances, Prince Igor, Julia ЩербаковаLegend. The video has been uploaded 4 years ago with 4.2 million views, and I'm very excited to show you my reaction from Luxembourg to all the watchers. Here we go.
Улетай на крыльях ветра, ты в край родной, родная песня наша, туда, где мы тебя свободно пели, где было так привольно нам с тобою.
So my first impression is she looks very beautiful and her voice is like an angel.
Улетай на крыльях ветра, ты в край родной, родная песня наша, туда, где мы тебя свободно пели, где было так привольно нам с тобою. Там под знойным небом не дай воздух полон, там под горой дремлют горы в облаках. Там так ярко солнце светит, родные горы светом заливая. В долинах пышно розы расцветают, и соловьи поют в лесах зеленых. Там под знойным небом не дай воздух полон, там под говор моря дремлют горы в Улетай на крыльях ветра, ты в край родной, родная песня наша, туда, где мы тебя свободно пели, где было так привольно нам с тобою. Там под знойным небом не дай воздух полон, там под говор моря дремлют горы в облаках.
I'm almost falling in love with her voice. Wow, that was the end of the video. Wow, what a beautiful voice that she has. Beautiful song, beautiful energy, beautiful woman. Just an imagination how beautiful this was. I was really loving it. For the rest, I was glad to hear her voice for the first time. For the rest, if you're a fan or if you like to see anything else, just drop it in the comments below. I'm glad that I found her. She's talented. I was also wondering why she don't have 1 million subscribers. Maybe the reason of not doing more videos. But it's just a question of time. She will get her golden play button very soon. But at least I was loving this song very much. She's amazing. For the rest, let me know what you think about her. And I said all the new people, a lot of blessings and love from Luxembourg to Russia. Goodbye. Спасибо. Спасибо.